know that doorbell cameras were invented for us to spy on animals? These workers were on break when out of nowhere they offended the wrong goose. If you think your 9 to 5 is hard, being a delivery guy can be unbearable. But the best workplace drama occurred on a typical boring day. This good boy works nights keeping wild animals out of the salon. So far, he's stopped all of them, except for himself. If you're looking to host a party with some friends, you're going to want someone who knows their wine. Luckily, this peacock has excellent taste. Just look at all the nice bottles he picked out. Unfortunately, this party animal got thrown out for having too much fun. No matter how hard you win, or how hard you fail, never forget to have the last laugh. Yeah, that's right. You deserve a nice soak. So, what have we learned today? Animals just want to have fun.